Hello guys, so today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how do you delete or deactivate your Fiverr account permanently. So let's get into the video. First thing, log into your Fiverr account. So go to fivr.com and log in. So I've already logged into mine. So once you've logged in, all you have to do is next to on your top right is there will be your name. Click on your name or your profile picture there. Just click on it, and then here you'll see some options here. So what you have to do is click on settings. So click on settings from the drop down menu. So once you click on settings, so here now it displays information, details of your account. So all you have to do is scroll down here. So here it says account deactivation, so that's what we're going to do. So once we deactivate our account, you will no longer be able to access any of your gigs or your any orders or any gigs. That will be, it will be cancelled and you won't be able to access anymore, and you can't even reactivate it again. So it's kind of a permanent deactivations, or you can permanently delete it. So this is what you're going to do. And what you have to choose here is just need to give a reason here why you are doing this, why you're living. So just choose whatever that's relevant to you. So you can just choose any of these options. So once you've done that, then click on deactivate. And so if you just choose anything, right? So say if you put other, just give them a reason or whatever. And then all you have to do is click on deactivate account. And that is it. Your account will be deactivated or deleted permanently. Hope this video is helpful, and I will see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.